Okay, so my Taurian again, you're not too much in your headspace, I believe, huh? So the Taurian is the Eight of Swords. I think this is this is one card that we pulled out in the last read also. I don't remember the sign per se, but then I had discussed in detail that this is more about a situation wherein you are thinking a worst case scenario simply because you are blindfolded, and the fact that you can and you should remove that blindfold, and allow yourself to be set free, because the cage that you think that you're trapped in is not actually a cage. It is actually a boundary which is quite open. You can always step out of it, but still you are not being able to step out of it because there is help which is available. You are maybe in a slush and a muck of a situation, but then if you allow yourself, you can very well allow yourself to walk out and away from this messy situation. Okay, so the Eight of Swords again, for my Taurian, right? We are reading for the Taurian, is that basically you allow yourself, because Taurians are also about structures and stability, and they are earth sign, right? So basically what happens is that they can get too much in their headspace if things are not going their way. It becomes a catch-22 kind of a situation. So the card is encouraging you, whether be in love and relationship or in terms of career choices or in terms of your spiritual pursuits, there is help available. Again, like in the Nine of Swords that we read, so Nine of Swords, इसका जो है अगर Nine of Swords की एनर्जी को आप वॉच आउट नहीं करोगे तो इट बिकम्स Eight of Swords की एनर्जी को आप वॉच आउट नहीं करोगे, देन इट बिकम्स Nine of Swords. यू अंडरस्टैंड? यहाँ से आप यहाँ चले जाओगे. हाँ, तो नहीं जाना है ना, हमको नहीं जाना है ना, हमको पीछे आना है ना. वी हैव टू गेट इन टू द Six of Cups वाला मोड. सो बेसिकली द Eight of Swords में it is telling you, it is advising you that between now, especially with this lunar eclipse, it is important for you to realign your thoughts and emotions. Again, it is about mental clarity and confusion. It is about communication which has to be open, honest and effective for you to be able to for you. कभी भी क्या होता है ना, many times the fear is the fear is actually bigger than the act of getting into that zone. You understand what I'm saying? That basically आप अगर कम्युनिकेशन में आप बात कर लीजिए, रिश्ते में अगर आप अपनी जो मन की जो इच्छाएं हैं या अपने जो एस्पिरेशंस हैं या जो अपनी इमोशंस हैं उनको आप ना कह के, कम्युनिकेट ना करके, जो घुटन है आपके अंदर, अगर उसमें घुटते रहते हो, उससे कहीं ज़्यादा बेटर है कि आप अपने यू आर एबल टू फेस योर फियर्स, गेट दिस आउट ऑफ योर सिस्टम and allow you to move yourself onward and forward. And that is the idea when I say that पट्टी हटानी है. कैसे हटानी है? by recognizing the situation that you are in and understanding that it is not serving the bigger picture, and you have to connect to your higher self to be able to move onward and forward, so that you are able to, जो घर आपने बनाए हैं, जो structures आपने create किए हैं, उसको आपको enjoy करना ज़रूरी है. Everyone has to aspire to the Nine of Cups वाला energy.